What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We're coming in 11 p.m. Eastern, 10 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Two breaks for you tonight. But first, we have the bad break drawings for last night's breaks. So first, giving away a Trent Richardson rookie jumbo patch numbered to 60, and then the second drawing will be for a $10 promo code. Here are the entries for the Richardson patch. We'll randomize that list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner of the Trent Richardson gonna be Ashley D. Congratulations. And now for the $10 promo code. We'll randomize that 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner of the promo code is going to be Joshua B. Now for tonight's breaks, we'll start off with the eBay auction break of the 2013 Contenders. Here is the roster for that one. The Contenders tonight going to be 24 packs, 5 cards per pack with 5 autos per box. Good luck, everybody. Stephen Hill, Peyton Manning. First hit going to the Raiders, Bryce Butler, rookie auto. Raiders going to Razzo 1. That one a normal print run. Larry Fitz and Drew Brees. Jacoby Ford, Eddie Royal, Terrence Williams for the Cowboys, DeMarco Murray, Kenny Britt, and a Kid Reporter insert. Russell Wilson, Michael Vick. Rookie auto, number to 58 out of 99, going to the Texans, DJ Swearinger. Texans going to DIHPL 81-82. And this one has no stars around the team, so that one's a variation. Congratulations. Maurice Jones-Drew and CJ Spiller. Colin Kaepernick, Brandon Whedon, Marcus Wheaton and Stedman Bailey, Stephen Ridley, Matt Schubb, and the Kid Reporter. Greg Jennings, Chris Ivory. Third hit's going to be a redemption. Rookie ticket RPS going to Dolphins, Dion Jordan. Dolphins going to Puffa 57-57. Danny Amendola and Rashard Mendenhall. Demarius Thomas, Darren McFadden. Touchdown tandems, Reggie Wayne and Andrew Luck. Marcus Colston, Ryan Tannehill, and the Kid Reporter. Ryan Matthews, Sidney Rice. Let's grab a one touch for this one. For the Packers, Eddie Lacy on card rookie auto, numbered 59 out of 99. Congratulations to Steelers Rule Football. And it gets even better, Dave. This one a variation. So, very cool. Again, congratulations. And Chris Johnson and Bilal Powell. Deshaun Jackson and Quan Bolden. Legendary contenders for the Broncos, John Elway, numbered 81 out of 99. Tough to see that one. Broncos going to DIHPL 8182. Mario Williams, Terrell Pryor, and the Kid Reporter. Jared Cook, Jamal Charles. Rookie auto for the Cardinals, Jaron Brown. Cardinals going to Puffa 57-57. Victor Cruz and Andy Dalton. Big Ben, Julio Jones. Touchdown tandems, Big Ben and Heath Miller. Jonathan Stewart, Carson Palmer, and the Kid Reporter. Trent Richardson, Torrey Smith. Adrian Peterson, Chad Haney, and Joe Flacco. Matthew Stafford, Wes Welker. Rookie of the Year contenders for the Texans, DeAndre Hopkins, going to DIHPL 8182, Andrew Luck, Antonio Brown, and the Kid Reporter. Sam Bradford, Alex Smith. MVP contenders for the Saints, Drew Brees, Steven Jackson, and Brandon Marshall. Golden Tate, LaShawn McCoy, Stephen Taylor, Cam Newton, Vincent Jackson, and the Kid Reporter. Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers, legendary contenders for the Cowboys, Emmitt Smith, RG3, and Tony Romo. Greg Little, Lamar Miller, Terrence Williams and Keenan Allen, Andre Johnson, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, and the Kid Reporter. Reggie Bush, Mark Ingram. Rookie auto for the Seahawks, Spencer Ware. Seahawks going to Bob Grizz. And that one a normal run. Phillip Rivers and Hakeem Nicks. Mike Wallace, Christian Ponder. Rookie of the Year contenders for the Vikings, Cordero Patterson, going to Razzo 1. AJ Green, Tom Brady, and the Kid Reporter. Jamal Charles, Big Ben, Julio Jones, Alfred Morris, and Miles Austin. Jay Cutler, James Jones, Tyrann Mathieu, and Bleedy Wilson. Jake Locker, Justin Blackman, and the Kid Reporter. Darrelle Revis, Ray Rice, T.Y. Hilton, Stevie Johnson, and Reggie Wayne. Calvin Johnson, Eric Decker, touchdown tandems for the Seahawks, Russell Wilson and Golden Tate, Troy Polamalu, Eli Manning, and the Kid Reporter. Chris Givens, Dwayne Bowe, Marshawn Lynch, Matt Forte, and Steve Smith. Last pack, Matt Ryan, Navarro Bowman, Jordy Nelson, Doug Martin, Pierre Garcon, and the Kid Reporter. And that'll do it for our eBay break. Up next, we have the 2012 and 13 playbook. Going to be 32 names, one team per spot. We'll randomize that list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy the results and paste them against the list of teams in alphabetical order. Here is the roster for the dual playbook break. And we'll start off with the 2013. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Up first for the Lions, a Theo Riddick rookie auto, 111 out of 299. Lions going to Kyle A. Rookie auto for the Bucks, Jonathan Banks, blue parallel, 51 out of 99. Bucks going to Michael W. Going to be 2 booklets tonight. First one is a rookie booklet going to the Patriots, Aaron Dobson. Rookie auto dual patches. This one a super short print, 2 out of 5. Patriots going to Matthew G. Congratulations, Matthew. Nice hit. And another rookie booklet. This one going to the Cardinals, Stephen Taylor. Dual jumbo patches numbered at 99 out of 199. Cardinals going to Nick M. Alright, pack number 1. Up first for the Bucks, a gold parallel rookie auto for Mark Barron, 41 out of 49. Bucks going to Michael W. For the Eagles, a rookie auto, Chris Polk. Eagles going to Mo, numbered 128 out of 140. There'll be 2 booklets tonight. First one's a rookie booklet, red parallel, going to the Ravens, Bernard Pierce on card, rookie auto contact patch. Ravens going to Mo, numbered 4 out of 99. And another rookie booklet. This one going to the Seahawks, Russell Wilson, Bunyan patch. Seahawks going to Kurt E, number to 117 out of 199. That'll do it for the Monday night breaks. I'll be adding some more for tomorrow. We have some absolute up now. Take a look later tonight or tomorrow morning, and we'll see you tomorrow night.